we are here to present our project against small rescue shoot for construction workers. Construction workers often face extreme conditions such as heat, humidity and long working hours, which can cause health issues and accidents. They also lack real-time health monitoring and quick emergency communication. To overcome this, we developed a small rescue suit that ensures continuous monitoring and instant alerts during emergencies. Our system uses NodeMCU ESP8266 as the main controller. It includes a heart rate sensor to track the worker pulse, a DHT11 sensor to monitor temperature and humidity, and a push button for manual emergency alerts. All data is sent to the Blink app for the real-time monitoring. Thank you.
Number 1, if the heart rate of the temperature, humidity levels go to high or too low temperature, Blinky app automatically send a warning message to the supervisor's phone. Additionally, if the worker press the emergency button, an instant alert message is sent through an app to nearby the people for immediate help. Number 2, the system provides proactive safety by determining early signs of healthy risk and responsibility quickly during emergencies. Our smart rescue should enhance working safety through real-time monitoring, instant alerts, and smart communication. Thank you.
This is our heart rate sensor which detects the heart rate of the workers. This is our DHT sensor which detects the temperature of the workers. These two blinks to the NodeMCU. If any abnormal activities, the NodeMCU the buzzer alerts and it informs to the supervisor, and we attach the OLED display to display the heart rate and temperature of the workers. Thank you.